I'd like to give you some information on potential closing costs when you're buying a resale property and new build construction condos. There are 6 items with regards to closing costs associated with resale purchase, and 5 items that I want to address in addition to the 6 when you're buying a new build construction condos. Now, let's start with the most obvious one, which is the land transfer tax. When you're purchasing a property, there's land transfer tax implications. Now, when it comes to purchasing outside the Toronto proper, you're going to pay the provincial land transfer tax. Let's say you purchase for $600,000 purchase price. Your land transfer tax implication for the provincial land transfer tax will be $8,475. Now, if you end up buying the same purchase price in Toronto, it will be the Ontario land transfer tax, and in addition to that will be the Toronto land transfer tax, which is an additional $8,475, so just under $17,000. Now, second item will be the lawyer fee. The lawyer fee will be the legal plus disbursement fee. That's around $1,500 to maybe $2,000 additional cost for the legal fees. Item number 3 would be the registration and administration fee. Number 4 would be title insurance. Now, if you're purchasing a property with a mortgage, most financial institutions will mandate that you have title insurance on that property. Number 5 and number 6. Number 5 and number 6 are property tax and condo fee adjustments. Now, if your seller has already prepaid for, let's say, the remainder of the month or remainder of the quarter or remainder of the year, you have to basically give them the prepaid amount. So you have to adjust the prepaid amount so that it's to the date of your closing, and the subsequent prepaid amount will be adjusted to your seller's perspective. So that's item 5 and 6 will be the adjustments for the land transfer or the property tax and the condo fees. Now, moving over to the new build construction condo purchase, there's 5 additional items that we have to address. Number 1 would be the Tarion warranty or the Tarion warranty enrollment fee. That's anywhere from $1,000 to as much as $2,000 cost for that Tarion warranty. Number 2 would be the government levy / municipal charges that you have to pay. Number 3 would be the utility connection fee. Number 4 would be the reserve funds for the condos. And number 5 would be the HST or the HST with the HST rebate when you're associated with buying a primary residence. Now, any purchases over $500,000 you'll be paying around $24,000. Now, there is an on-the-spot HST rebate if your property is going to be used as your primary residence. Now, there's a lot of costs associated for both the resale and the new build. In general, though, if you're buying a resale property, your closing cost is anywhere from 1.5% to 2.5% of your purchase price. So let's say, for a $600,000 purchase price for a resale property, you're probably looking at around $10,500. And if you're buying a new build condo, let's say it's anywhere from 5% to 6% of your purchase price should be associated with, you should putting aside associated with the closing cost, okay? So let's say anywhere from $36,000 thereabouts. Thank you for watching, and like I said, watch out for the next video that will be talking about HST rebates.